MSI MPG 272QRF X36 gaming monitor, 360Hz G-SYNC Pulsar, WQHD resolution. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into some seriously exciting news from the world of gaming monitors. MSI and NVIDIA released the MPG 272QRF X36 G-SYNC Pulsar, a 27-inch gaming monitor built for esports. The Rapid IPS panel runs at WQHD resolution, 2560 by 1440, with a 360Hz refresh rate. The main feature is G-SYNC Pulsar technology. It uses variable frequency backlight strobing to deliver 4 times better motion clarity than regular displays. You still get G-SYNC's smooth, tear-free visuals. This matters for competitive players who need to track fast movements accurately. G-SYNC ambient adaptive technology adjusts the display automatically using a built-in light sensor. It changes color temperature and brightness based on your room's lighting. The monitor adapts in real time whether you're playing in the dark or near a window. This reduces eye strain and keeps visuals consistent. The display also provides accurate colors and low latency HDR, meeting NVIDIA's G-SYNC certification standards. The monitor supports firmware updates directly from NVIDIA, so you can keep performance current. It offers detailed color customization and multiple aspect ratio options for different gaming setups. There's a 25 mode that gives you pixel-perfect scaling at 3 specific resolutions, 2368 by 1332, 1920 by 1080, and 1280 by 960. Players who want a smaller screen format get sharp images without the blur that normally comes with non-native resolutions. MSI is also pushing boundaries at the high end with the MPG X, a flagship monitor that combines elite hardware with controversial AI-assisted features. It features a 34-inch 5th-generation QD-OLED panel with a 3440 x 1440 resolution, 21:9 ultra-wide aspect ratio, a 360Hz refresh rate, and a 0.03 milliseconds response time, placing it among the fastest gaming displays available. What truly differentiates the MPG X is its display-level AI, which analyzes the video signal itself rather than relying on game software. This enables features such as on-screen character highlighting, reduced flashbang effects, dynamic brightness and contrast adjustments, digital zoom, night vision style viewing, and automatic switching between display presets based on the type of game being played. What are your thoughts on these new monitors? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.